Okay guys, I am back with another video. I'm getting ready to make breakfast for my son and I. And as you can see, I got toast going on in the skillet over here in my favorite cast iron skillet. Today I am using some provolone cheese. This is the round slices. Now I am using my not so fun plates today, and I have some Chinese red rice loaded up with garlic, herbs and spices and diced tomatoes. Just took it out the microwave. Now I cook this rice in my rice cooker. And I am going to add some more provolone cheese slices on the top of it. This cheese is really good, guys. It kind of reminds you of mozzarella and Swiss. So now I'm gonna add my cheese toast. I got my eggs frying in the cast iron skillet, and I'm only using 2 seasonings today, guys. Garlic romano and black pepper. Look at that sizzle, guys. Don't that look deliciousness? Now, as you can see, guys, the cheese have already started to melt over the rice. Now the rice is cooling off, but once I add the eggs to the top of it, it's going to continue to melt the cheese. The last thing I'm going to add, guys, for my plate, my son doesn't like avocado. He says he's allergic to them, but I think he just don't like the taste of them. Now, if you ever get an avocado from the store that is too ripe, they're hard to take the seed out. So what you can do is you can take the avocado and put it in the microwave for about a minute, and the seed comes out easy, and also it's easy to peel. I didn't use the right knife, guys. I know. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. I have a toasted cheese sandwich or sandwich using provolone cheese. I have red rice topped with provolone cheese and 2 fried eggs. And of course, I have 1 avocado sliced in half. Now, some of you guys might think, oh, that's a lot of cheese. Cheese sandwich, cheese on eggs. But around here, we love cheese. Cheese is healthy. And we try to eat cheese or incorporate cheese in whatever meal that the cheese will go in. But look at all those colors, guys. We got brown, yellow, green, and red. Now, like I said, the red rice is a Chinese red rice, and we added diced tomatoes with chilies and garlic and other seasoning and spices and so forth. Now, the rice we made a couple days ago to go with a chicken dinner. I always like to put some rice aside so I can incorporate it in the breakfast. So this is the rice that we're using. And it's really deliciousness, guys. Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. And yes, guys, today my hands are the turntable. No fancy. Happy eating.